Oh yeah! Okay, so far we've hooked up the two ball bearing slides. We've made the main ramp for the display. Slides up like so. Yeah, height. Probably only gonna go to there though. And then I've lost the other piece over there. So the vending machine lock. So here, lock onto this, hold in place. Pulley will go here. Then we'll go on the opposing side. Then something that most people would be fucking afraid of. You know what I'm thinking. So the plan is that this spring is going to go here. I think I fucked up. Nope. Yes. Yep. Alright, the plan is that the spring is going to go here. It's going to stretch along the bottom of the table. And knock my drill off. The idea will be that a cable will run along, up here, over the pulley, back down, and attach to a pin which is connected to this. So, when the spring gets pulled back here, pull on the string, pull down, lifting this up. The same will happen on the other side with another set of pulleys. I need more pulleys. Okay, so everything is wired up. This is stainless steel marine grade wire rope. 1 millimeter thick, and the plan is to use it to rig this all up. For now though, because that's a bitch, I have wired it up with some string. So this is a proof of concept, just to show that everything lines up and works. Oh my god. I'm now thinking that the spring probably won't be grunty enough to lift this heavy bitch whenever I put onto it. So, from the spring, from the spring here, the wire will come along to these two pulleys, where one pulley goes up, there's another pulley, and it wraps around the top and attaches to this bolt. This bolt, you probably cannot see that. Oh, I can zoom in. We have the technology. We just don't have the lighting or the focus. There's a groove cut into it. That's going to allow me to use two nuts to tighten the wire into place. Then the other pulley goes up, around, to this pulley, up, rinse and repeat. That is the springy boy, which is meant to be providing all the tension. But whether it works or not is yet to be seen. So realistically, goodbye my nut. I nutted again. So realistically, when the vending machine lock is here, it should catch on this. And when this is pushed, how much tension can this string handle? Oh my god, that's terrifying. That's scratching on something? Oh. And just like that, with editing, you guys missed out on all the fun that I had between trying to cut the wire, breaking some pliers, the spring trying to hit the shit out of me, jamming my fingers in here as I attach the spring. So you now get to join me for the realization that I made the wire too short. So now I have to redo it again. Okay, so we've replaced the string with the steel cable and we've made it the correct length. And just like every project that you make from scratch, there's a new problem that has evolved. This is a stiff bitch now. And I don't mean like morning wood, I mean like rigor mortis stiff bitch. That might be a bit too dark for this channel. But either way, you get to a point and it kind of stays there and it kind of moves up. You pull this down, the pulleys kind of spin, they kind of don't. And realistically, it'll be because there's just too much friction on these shitty pulleys on a threaded rod. So realistically, I need bearing pulleys to make this work nicely. Which is why I hate doing this for a YouTube channel. I should have done gaming or makeup. Because the problem with this is now, is that unless I want to go and spend $40 per fucking bearing at a local engineering shop, I have to wait 2 months for my orders from AliExpress to arrive. Y'all don't know the struggle. Alright, so we've got these now really janky DIY pulleys made with the bearings that I had laying around and some sheet metal that was cut from a old scraper. So those are in place, they've been tested and they don't work. As suspected, because the sheet metal is not very thick, the wire just slid down the gap. So I'm now going to do what any other logical person would do, is I've ordered the parts from China to do the job that I want them to do. Unfortunately, that might take 3 or 4 weeks to get here, and I'm a very impatient boy. So I've done the next logical thing that any normal person would do, and that is I pulled apart a 3D printer to get these little bad boys. So these are the roller bearings with wheels, and I'm going to grind a groove into these bearings. Now I know that some of you might be a little bit salty that I've cut up a 3D printer. Rest assured, it was fucked. Couldn't be fixed. It was a rubbish 3D printer and it's a parts baby now. So just keep it to yourself. I don't want to hear it. You know, fuck it. Comment. Leave a comment. It makes my videos do better. Later, we've replaced the old shitty ones with the new groove ground bearings. These are in all 4 of the corners. Now, that's what we wanted. So that'll lock down like that. And it will spring the fuck up. And I need to put some buffers in it, because otherwise I'm going to break these rails. And possibly break the M5 bolts that these are on. But hey, that's a problem for later. Yeah! Oh my god! fell out, didn't it? I guarantee that that's what happened. Alright. Damn it, it's not as good as I wanted it to be. Oh yeah! So I've had to disconnect the springs and weld this bracket to this original bracket, basically because this screw was going sideways. So that's a bit stronger. Now I'm going to pop that back into place, and then that should be that problem solved. Time to relax. What you're about to watch is for entertainment purposes only. This isn't real.
This is not a test.
Here I was thinking I was going to be able to relax. Well, here I go killing again.
Police, fire, and emergency medical services.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Possibly learned something, whether it be from my mistakes or just how I did stuff. Trust me, there is much better ways to make this if you were to make one, and if you would like me to develop this further so that you guys could get plans to make one yourself, one that's a little bit more refined and less finger breaky, I could look into it. Just leave a comment, but I really don't want to. I have some more exciting and fun projects that I'd rather work on, and that's about it. There's no sugarcoating it. I hate this thing with a passion. It took a lot of space and a lot of time. It's very heavy, easily 120 kilos. That's roughly about 60, 70 pounds. Quite frankly, I'm glad it's done. If you guys like this video, please drop a comment, whether it's how stupid this is, or the fact that you love it and you'll take 3 of them. But regardless, comments help my channel, likes help the channel. You can subscribe if you want to, it's free, but I'm not going to tell you how to live your life. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay safe, take care of yourselves. We just had one of these. Damn it!